You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique, and today we're just going to get into a quick little 1 week update I wanted to do for you. So the update that I'm doing is on the Outre Kimora unit. I am wearing it in the color 1B, and like I said, this is going to be a 1 week update. So the typical cap construction, as always, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. This unit, I think initially I said it's small, medium, and big head friendly, but the more I'm wearing it, I want to say it's more small to medium head friendly, just because as always with a lot of these units, I wear it with my wig grip band, and I was getting some issues with it kind of sliding back some. So I definitely would keep that in mind if you plan on picking this unit up and you do have a larger size head. I wouldn't necessarily suggest it for you. I would more so suggest this for people who have smaller or medium size heads. And it does come with that pre-plucked HD lace parting. Now on the card, they do not boast that they have a pre-plucked hairline. I just assume that they did because of course Outre has been coming out with so many pre-plucked hairlines, but this one I wouldn't necessarily say it's pre-plucked. Like, it's a little bit pre-tweezed, if you want to say that, but it's definitely nowhere near on the level of the Outre Kimora unit is in, so definitely keep that in mind. They may look pretty similar, but as far as the construction is concerned, about the pre-plucked situation going on in the front, Kimora is definitely way more pre-plucked than Kimora. So like I just tried to show you, that it's looking like kind of dense, and this is definitely one that I feel like you may need to have some baby hairs out to sort of just mask that front situation so it doesn't look super dense. I still think it looks pretty cute, but I just wanted to come to you guys and let you know some of the issues that I've been having with this unit. So like I said, I have been wearing it for a week, and I feel like it has still kept its flow, but my biggest issue that I've been experiencing with it is shedding. Every single time I run my hands through this unit, like, I get a good amount of shedding. Like, y'all, like, the shedding is definitely getting to be a little bit too much for me, especially because, as you can see, this unit is already kind of thin. It gives the appearance of fullness because the top kind of has more body, but it is pretty thin. Like, if I had to guess, I want to say it's 130% at the most, but I would be leaning more towards 120% density. So this one definitely is already on the thinner, more natural side. So the fact that it's shedding so much in such a short period of time just makes me think it's going to be thinner and thinner and thinner, and I do not like that at all. My 2 biggest cons are definitely going to be, number 1, the shedding, and number 2, wishing the hairline was as plucked as the Outre Kimora unit, because I feel like they came so hard with that unit, and then this one they kind of slacked on. I do feel like as a whole it is a cute unit, but would I pick it up again? No, specifically because of shedding. Now, I'm a person that doesn't really care too much about shedding because I feel like that's to be expected with a lot of units, but I feel like within the short amount of time that I've been wearing it, I've had a lot of other units that haven't shed as much as this one, and were also a fuller density, so that's why this is definitely going to be a reason why I would not go and pick this up again. But if you're just looking for something that's like a cute throw on and go, minimal sort of work, I think this definitely could be for you, especially if you're not really planning on wearing it for every day. Like I said, I would not suggest to wear this for every day because with the amount of shedding that I'm getting. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful for you if you are planning on picking this unit up. If it was, just let me know in the comments, and also just let me know if there's any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water,